Kani kadega Durashin Meghalaya ban gipriang sobhai phibaro shakathup khubor mata ka janmet shaban phais ki khubor ke babnia ngenia pechoi ki mat bokongsan Pinkre ka Meghalaya ya kasngi new vote election Lok Sabha ha ka Southerik Jilliu Kamat halor udrak bat jingkerni di drak kalong ka bejwat ai ki bala pentebit kin khmi yakani ong USP Rituraj Ravi La rakhe yaka Buddha Purnima Hachlong Ai jingero ka National People's Women Front yaka sarkar halor ka jingthung yaka DGP kinthei Bat pinpra ka Trap Youth Council ya prapotali ki yeng bean halom survey. Ki khubor ki babinia. Katanat election ka jilla kala pinkre shat na binta ka sngi new vote ka banlong ha ka Southerik ujiliu. U Chief Electoral Officer ka jilla u Dr. BDR Tiwari hinin kasngi ulalum ya ka jingelang badonkam bat ki bor penya election ka jilla bakan thop ya katanat pulit lem bat ki returning officer kasngi new vote kasa satang kumba shipos ngi AA menta hakaju kapor lakmi linti ba kani ka jingelang badonkam kanyakren halor ki mat baper bakan thop ya ka shongsuk shongsngan ha ka ba ya dei bat kasngi new vote Habakren shakilat pathai khubor utiwari ulaong ba ya ka jingyo vote ansale haki khatlai tali ki jakanyo ki badon hakaleng ka jilla
RO districts we have two parliamentary constituencies Silang and Tura so the postal ballot and ETPVS etc will be counted in the RO districts only and other counting centers have the counting of EVMs
Katanat pulit ke jilla hinin kasngi kala ong bakamat bante lakam ya udrak bat kitu ki bakirni ha ka jingdi drak kalong ka bajwat bat ya kane kakam dai ban e ha kitu ki ba la pentebit ban khmi bnya yaka U Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills u Rituraj Ravi ula ong bakatanat pulit ka priang snobha ya ka jingkershan na ki patba babon balang Henry kampen chlorpat yano ne kano ka kenhun ban shim ya ka an hakikti lajong kumban shukdo hangne kani kalawan hadin baki kenhun seng kila penlong ya ka jingkenra ban bat hi naphang ya ki nong di drak hakeleng kanong ba
Supporters from all sides. We welcome support from people at large, people, non-government agencies. Anybody and everybody is welcome. We welcome inputs from everybody. However, we do not encourage anybody, any group to take law into their own hands. The matters which are complex, which require trained professionals, should be handled by them accordingly.
Ya ka Buddha Purnima ne ka lingkhu singi khan jong u Buddha la rakhe haki benta baper jong kari hne kasni ka president kari ka Draupadi Murmu but vice president u Jagdeep Dhankar kila ai khuble ya kari hakasni rakhe ya ka Buddha Purnima ki reungai Buddhas jong ka Shillong hne kasni kila rakhe ya ka Buddha Purnima ha Buddha temple polo Shillong hakani kasni la sakhiru ya bon ba ki reungai ki balatur sha Buddha temple Kaba Hapolo, Shillong, Banterwa yaki jingduai jongki. Kani kadai kalingkhu snikha, kaba 8,000 sanspa prapundriu snem jong ugautama Buddha. Ka National People's Women Front NPWF kala ai jingero halor ka jingsha thung ka kong ida shisha nongrang kum ka DGP bat ong ba ka jingyada bat jingshingan jongki kinthai hapo ka jilla minta ka nong ka bah khamat e Kidukot jong ka NPWF hapo ka jingalam ka President kong Jasmine Lingdo hinin kasngi kilaya kendo ya usimbot menteri rangba ka jilla bakmi ya katanat kampo yeng ba Preston Tinsong ban ai jingero halor ka jingsha thung ka kong nongrang kum ka DGP kenthai baning kong e ka jilla haba kedo baki kambiaan persya yaki kentai ki dei ki bala saki hakeleng ke perthai kate ke kli nong yalam ke NPWF kala ong bada ke jingdon jong ke DGP kentai kan nang kham penlet jingmut syu ban pentikna ya ke jingsha kem jong ki runar hakapor babiang haringkat ki la jingyada ki ban seshim na benta ke jingsngan ki kentai.
Done in terms of even ensuring that culprits are nabbed in time, they are given the proper kind of security measures are taken for our women, and we know that even from the social welfare also that plays a big role for our young girl child. So these are all things that I think our new DGP will look into.
Ki dekot jong ke HYC hene ke sngi ki la penpra la kumba prapotli ki yeng balatei be an halum survey. U President ke HYC ba Roy Kupar Sindram ula ong balarai ben penpra yakini ki jingtei be an hadin baki board district kim shimla le AA wat hadin artayo jong ke jinglet jurep lang ya ke te ke jaka. Ula ong baka seng kala pensngau ru Shaki board district bat ke defense estate office ban wengno mardor ya ki brio ki basa be an ha ke te ke jaka. Nalor kani u President ula ong baka seng ka kwa ban pha ka khubor ka basai baka dei ka kenhun seng ka bakloi ban but din ya kano ka kam hadu ka bakut.
Nakaliang Jakarta District Administration bakadai ban penpra ring ilaap mentala artayo nadu bangile ya ka joint inspection ring simla UI kanu kadang walang ila persyang ban pha melsi JDC ban clean UDC kai ka status jong ka inquiry usuong pentip yang iba ngin sa update ya pi ngin sa pentip ya pi retat adu ni khlemat ngim simla yo ya kanu ka kumbang ilaong ngin yale ngin om sange bat yala ka jong gari ya ri la jong ngin ri kendong kata ka dengan mutu bat ka jingkwa bat ka jingtrang jong ka HYC bat ya kata ngin nang yai pendap nang ni syakmat ru.
Unong mikmat ke BJP na South Shillong ba Shanbor Shuloi ha kasngi ba ar ulaong ba laipo na kasispa jong kinong krishan jong u kim shim la let tap vote ha kanik election baladep shakalok sabha namar ka jingbitar persha ya ka jingbam pinyang kertong kaseng na Shillong parliamentary constituency. Ka jing 1 poi kinong tap vote ha South Shillong ha kani ka election baladep kalong sanpupra point lai hinriu na kasispa ha kawai kalyang ka balong ru ka badunatam.
In South Shillong, I will tell you frankly, based on you see the day when I visited the polling booth in my constituency, interacting with the people but we have got the concrete information that 30% of the die-hard BJP, they did not cast their vote. That's why the percentage come very less. 30% they did not cast because out of anger. There are also men, women, boys and girls. I met in the polling booth, they said, our volunteers says, sir, these people, they are asking they went to push the button. Since my name is not there in the VM, my symbol, this lotus flower is not there, they went to the presiding officer and said, Basanbor, where is the name of Basanbor? Where is the lotus of Narendra Modi? They ran away.
Unong mi khmat ka BJP na South Shillong ba Shanbor Shulai ula kerpat ya ka sarkar jela ban penbhaya baro ki surak PWD hapo South Shillong constituency nalor kani haringkat kiwe ki project ki banwan ki balaterwa kum ka ropewe na Shillong Peak Viewpoint Shamadan Laban lani Raj Laban lembat kiwe ki surak ban pinya sno ba Dunkam hapo South Shillong constituency ha kaba kani kala ban kentiu shi ka dei ya ki kam jungok kai bat ban yarap ru ha ka ban penkelut ya ka South Shillong na kalyang UMLA ka South Shillong constituency ula pentip baladep ban pha ya ka jingterwa na benta bantai ya ka jaka penyang kali halaban last stop.
To all the existing old fluid roads under my constituency, the 19 South Shillong, especially within municipal area. This is municipal area comprises of the locality like the entire Luparing, Injatubwa, Lumdorbar, Lumsopa, Mansan, Nuklanid, and Kenches Street, Marlaban, Riyad Laban, Relbong, Oxford Hill, last bus stop, Laban. We have few vacant land which belongs to the revenue department and duly allotted to the urban affairs department, like in our last bus stop we have, where 50 vehicle will be parked.
Vice President ke UDP uba alantri F Dekar ulaong bahakani ka kenti ka pamenta kalong ka bae banyathu lupa manu banjob hakani ka election na ba ki don shibun ki aka kamtam hashwa ka sngi thap vote watla ki don kattu katni ki sang ki basno scam habaya day bat ka ka ban mi na kani ka election ulaong shu ba ka jinkerman jong ka sang ka shong ha ka jingminot jong kinong mi khmat ka sang kinong yalam bat kinong tray ha kishnong kitao Henry Baro kan sa syai kedar ha ka sauterik ujilio.
To my knowledge, it could be anybody's game on the 4th of June, because as you have all noticed, this recently concluded MP election was a different kind of an election. Of course, our hope lies in the extreme efforts put in by elected representatives, our party leaders, our grassroots workers. There was a marked difference this MP election. But as I said, elections are elections. Let us wait for 4th of June.
Ka HYC hinin kasngi kalay kendo yu Deputy Commissioner ka Southwest Khasi Hills ba di Lingwa ban kerpat ya kibor Penya District ban le da kabating persya ya udrak ha Southwest Khasi Hills District. Habakran cekilat patai kubor hadiin ke jinya kendo ya UDC u Presiden ke HYC Southwest Khasi Hills uba Arbok Karjarin ulaong bakaladai kapor ya kibor Penya District ban kam shim kisin jam ha kabante lakam ya udrak hapo ke district ulaong ru baka HYC kaladawa ba UDC udai bantuklar lang bat katanat pulit kanang ban penklan shu ya ka anti narcotic task force lani ka ANTF bat baka district kala banyakun persya ya ka jing sniu jong udrak
Distriki berkoin adu karani kor PS ka makurat PS berkunjuru ka di office USP bagi dai ban pentlan ya kini ki anti narcotic task force ki badai tawan pek ya kini ki kamtame on drug ngila kerpat ngila kentui ibe bantu problem but nitu ngila ongri ibau de bantu klar halat komno ba ka jingru ju drug ka jele pa na ka tau ti ulai tu ingi ba kalong ka plat ban le tai kam dai ka nakale ka sengila kerpat juri ingila dawaru na iba ide ban penbor ya ka tisia ka dia ka ipulet jo district ba ka ban apa hara hamal ki jaka kamtame kini ki jaka rong jaka mi apa ka district jongi
Kadorbar pelun jong kasnong air pakon ribhoy kala rai ban be no ya paro ki bar jela ki basyong basa bat bela hapo uput usam jong kasnong kani karai kalami hadin ka jingsha penyap dusman jong uba kermen lingdo nonglaj ubaladon lai pupras nem kerta ha unong bela bar jela ubatrei ha RN Sharma Hotel uba M Thongni ubade urang ba snong jong ka snong air pakon ulapen pau baya kini kirai kitmu ban khanglat ya kibei pat ki jingja thombor hakaju kapor ban pintikna ya ka shong suk shong shngan jong kinong shong snong shu ka dorbar pelun kalarai ban sange no ya ka jing aisen rot ya ka jing aiser not no objection shakibar jela ki bathmu ban sengkam hapo uput usam jong kasnong nangli shakmat
ki nan travel ki badan hapo isnong jingi kumbalarai kumbala penuna tenaga liang jongi ka dorbar isnong mila persangkat bala hi ban yada hagbede berkene ka jingjia krang makan numdan kanu ka jingma ka jingmasaw dei na kan ka sinjam ni hab ban ya chakmat hagbede berkene ka jingjia krang ba ikun samla ki nok susnong ki marjan marpa baga jingbitar jongki kanu poi sega kabanta kaban haban ya jat prah ka beja ya dei berka imlang salang
menta ngin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba shilong ka jing shit kalong 8.9 degree celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong 0.9 degree celsius ka jing ngam ka ho kalong prapo ar na ka shispa min step bat kanai pusan na ka shispa janmin ka jing hap slap kalong 0.r millimeter bat kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka bamelu mala bat ka jing tit uperthat hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka shaban poi sha ka bakut chong ka thuk khbor ngin ya pe byang se sin ya kimat bakongsan pin kre ka Meghalaya ya ka snginyo vote election lok sabha ha ka sauterik jiliu kamat halor udrak bat jingkerni di drak kalong kabajwat ai kibala tebit kin kemi yakani ong USP Rituraj Ravi. Larakhe yakabudha Purnima Hashilong. Ai jingiro ke National People's Women Front ya ke Sarkar halor ke Jingtung ya ke DGP Kentai. Bat penpra ke Nyautrep Youth Council ya prapotali ki yang biaan halum survey. Te parlok katunya lapoi syakabakut jong ketup kebuah jengi mentag janmet hadu bang de champion bet pilih syai kesni kublai pi barok.